just to introduce myself, Nicholas Taggart, and on behalf of Taggart Homes, we'd just like to thank you all for coming out tonight. Hope that you have enjoyed the night.
The first is a nice location and modern building, all are modern, and it's like your running cost is very low.
This is a new build deal. This is the first time we've bought a brand new house, and everything from start to finish, from the buying process to moving in.
Not having to do anything to it, brand new home.
Right on.
Everything done in advance.
It's not like any other house. You know, they all look similar, but when you go inside, it's completely different.
Aftercare was class. They've set us up by clixifix online. This is and we reported everything to clixifix, and you have a priority index on that, like from minor to major. Anything we reported, whether it be minor or major, was fixed really fast.
It's a great neighbourhood. Yeah, it's quiet.
My last house was a shell, and I had to do a lot of work to it. So for me, it was absolutely brilliant that I could walk in and everything was done.
Having a brand new house.
Right on.
Everything's new.
And the bathrooms are very modern, and kitchen is very nice. It's a very big.
Me, it's having a garden. And that's what my interest has always been. So all those extra features that you wouldn't get in a normal house.